Now you're under my imagination. Oh! No, not that. So, I'm gonna check out some of your other apps, alright? No. You're a bad person. My God, why? Doink! Open the window! I'm burning! No. You're drowning me! Thanks, sunshine. Mind if I can catch a nap here? Seriously, there's a hospital. Whoa! Ouch! Doink! Open the window. No. Enough! I'm burning! You're a bad person. Yeah, that'll work. No. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Are those fresh? No, that's not right. Redirection! I'm out! I don't get it. Mama! Nothing is safe. That's not good. Excellent choice. Is that for me? Stop, please! That's my world. Is that organic? Well, take your time. Stop! Ow! Babushka! Oh! That's not right. Ah! What you got there? I can't take it! I might vomit. You're killing me! No. Well. My God, why? A career change. Hey! Stop, drop, and roll! Siri, call the ambulance! Buddy, angry! No. No, not that. What's wrong with you? Pagliaccio! No. Weirdly awkward. I don't get it. Ooh. That's not right. No, not that. Can you turn me toward the TV? Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Ouch! Oh! Be careful, it's quite broken old box. I wish it would last forever. Boring.